Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today, goals, time, and dreams. A goal without a timeline, it's just a dream, right? I go through a lot of this with guys who are building new rooms. And if your goal is a new room, go. And the reason I say that is because there's always regret. Not building it, waiting so long to build it. I don't know, we've probably done 40, 50 new builds, personal listening rooms. You can see some of them on the projects page of our website. But it's always, gosh, I wish I'd have done it sooner. So let's simplify those steps to getting it done sooner so maybe we can get it on a timeline, right? The room is the final frontier. You've already got the gear. The only variable, you've upgraded speakers, you've improved cables, you've upgraded electronics. But the room is the final frontier that you really haven't paid that much attention to. You should have paid more attention to it in the beginning because it would have had a direct impact on the gear that you purchased. But people don't do it that way. They get the gear. I get it. You need source of sound, no problem, but needs to be a better balance there. So all variables from the source to the gear into the room, the receiver, have been managed. You've managed your gear. You've got what you like. Now you got a room that you don't like. So you got a high resolution gear, right? But you got a low resolution room. And that's the key. You got to bring the balance back into those two domains. So what's the first thing we have to look at? Well, we got noise and treatment. We got to always look at noise first and the noise floor in the room, because the noise floor is a form of distortion. Noise in a room is a distortion. The level at which it stays or remains without activity, that's still distortion. So we want to build a room which that is very low. We want to get it down low, minimize it as much as we can. Next step, focus on treatment. And we got three types there, lows, mids, and highs, right? Low frequency takes up the most space. Well, it can, as much as diffusion sometimes. But you got to treat the low end first. You can do two things. You can build it into the wall, or you can have freestanding units. We have systems for both, but it's all about square footage of coverage, rate and level of absorption. You got to match the solution to the problem, not put Band-Aids on it. Band-Aids don't work, okay? Pressure balance the room. Make sure the low frequency pressures in the room are balanced. Reflection management, reverb for overall room, and then our primary, secondary, and tertiary reflections, right? If we're doing a 2-channel setup. So the goal is the room, resolution, and usage all have to line up to the best of space availability and budget, of course, but that's the balancing act. Goals, times, and dreams. Remember, a goal without a timeline is just a dream. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.